It is a 9-membered ring, and we can very easily see it is a 4n plus 2 system. Hello everyone, welcome back to PLUTUS IAS, and we were discussing the PYQs of Chemistry Optional Paper 2. We are given with a question over here, and if you see in this question, we are given with a pericyclic question over here. A heat is given in the first step, and in the second step we are given with the H nu. In the third step again the heat is given, and several products are being shown. These hydrogen are being shown, but their stereochemistry is not shown over here. So if we see the question, predict the mode of ring closure and opening at each of the 3 steps. Which type of mode it is following? This rotatory, con rotatory, 4n plus 2, 4n, that we need to tell over here. Predict the structure of M, which means over here, what is the product we are going to get over here at this M. And the third is, are the indicated hydrogen cis or trans? We need to tell regarding these hydrogen, as I mentioned, are they cis or trans? So we will start solving this question. So here we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a 9-membered ring, and we can very easily see it is a 4n plus 2 system, or 3 pi, you can say odd electron system. So if and heat is over given over here, so it is a 4n system, 4n plus 2 heat is given. So in 4n plus 2, when heat is given, 4n plus 2 del, this rotatory takes place. 4n plus 2 del, this rotation. So if we try over here, the 6-membered ring is going to be formed over here. So yeah, so we will see, yes. This bond will come over here, it will goes over here, and it will be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you numbered over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So thus 2, 3 bond is coming over here, it is quite clear. And at 4, 5 again a bond is being formed, that is also quite clear over here, and the rest remains same. So from here to here we can very easily draw this structure like this. And if you want to draw this also a bigger picture, like this. So bond rotation, it is not that much typical thing. This bond comes over here, it comes over here, so we can see electrocyclic rotation over here, and 4n plus 2. These 3 bonds, these are involved over here. Del system is there, so which means this rotation. This rotation is con rotation, is a rotation of p orbitals in the same direction, and this rotation is a different direction. When the rotation of orbital in the different direction, that is this rotation, like this. If these are our p orbital and they rotate like this, same direction, that is con rotation. In the same way, different direction, which means this rotation, it will be like this. One in this direction and another orbital in this direction. So the different direction over here. In this you can quite easily see the different direction movement over here. So this is the movement, and we know when this type of rotation takes place, so we will have the overall when system is 4n plus 2 del, and this rotation is there, which means it is going to be in the different direction over here. So this rotation p orbital is going to take place in the different direction, which means these hydrogen or any group, these are going to be in a symmetry like this. Either we can mark them like this, or the another way of marking them is yeah, over here, just I will rub it. Or we can also say it like this. Like this. So both the hydrogen over here, if you visualize over here at this center, so we can see that these are like cis. So in the question it was being asked, are the indicated hydrogen cis or trans? So in the first structure, it is quite obvious that these are in the cis direction. So why they are in the cis direction, that also I will explain. Because over here this hydrogen is upside and this hydrogen is upside. Clear or not? So when we have an arrangement like this rotation is there, which means the we are 4n plus 2 del this, which means the rotation is in the different direction, and they are already in the different direction. These both the hydrogen are in the different direction, and we are rotating the p orbital in the same different direction. So this will give rise to the cis geometry. And if they were in the same direction and we were also rotating these in the same, you can say different direction. So same direction and different direction, then we will have in the different direction only. So we will see that also in the next part. So now we are having this thing. So it is quite better if we have a next step also over here in only. That will be quite better. Yeah. So in the next step, now the H nu is given. So H nu is given, and now what we are expecting, then again the ring closing. From here to here something is happening, and after that again ring closing. That is only possible when over at this step ring closer, and which means that ring opening is going to take place over here, which means like this. Ring opening is going to take place like this. So this is like this. So over here we are going to have a double bond. Over here we are going to have a double bond. At this place also we are going to have a double bond. And after that we need to see the stereochemistry of these two hydrogen. So now, because again we are having a 4n plus 2 system. This is a 4n plus 2 system. We are involving the 6, you can say 3 electron system we are using. So we call it as either 4n plus 2, or in different books we will find like this. So we are having an odd electron system over here again. So it is a 4n plus 2 system. So which means that H nu 4n plus 2 with del, we were having the this rotation. 4n plus 2 with H nu, we are going to have a cone rotation. And I have already explained this cone rotation is a rotation of p orbital in the same direction. Yes. So I have already told you that when these both the hydrogen are in the same direction, we are rotating the p orbital also in the same direction, which means it is, let's say if we assume this as a plus sign, this same is also as a plus sign, better thing. So we are going to have those direction of these you can say hydrogen also in the same direction only, like this. So if hydrogen are in the same direction, that means these carbon are also going to be in the same direction. So if this carbon is upside, this will also be in the upside. 1 2 1 2 3, like this. Clear or not? Which means one hydrogen is below, then another hydrogen is also going to be below. Another way we can also draw this structure like this also. If we are getting in the lower direction, then also we can have this line like this. If one hydrogen is above side, another hydrogen will also be in the above side. So this is the structure of M. This is our M. This is our M which we are going to get over here. So now with the M, it is better if we are taking this M on the next page. Let's say this is our M, and with M also we are given within the question again delta condition, which means heat. 25 degrees C means delta. So again the ring closing take place as it is being shown like this. Four n plus 2, again the 4n plus 2 system. Del, so it means the disk rotation. 4n plus 2 del, which means the disk rotation. So we can say 4n plus 2 del disk. The product is going to be like this only. Over here, if we number these like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these so if we see over here and the hydrogen, the main problem over here arises the stereochemistry of these hydrogen. So are they going to be, because now they are in the same direction, and con is same, this is different direction. We are rotating in the different direction. When these two are different, so the orientation of this hydrogen is going to be different only. So if one hydrogen is above the plane, another hydrogen will be in the below plane, or vice versa. We can also draw a structure like this also. If this one is above, below the plane, this hydrogen is going to the plane, which means above and below. The main concept over here is above the plane and below the plane things, this one or this one. So coming back to the question, this was our question. So we have simplified that these hydrogen is above the plane, this one is below the plane. Over here this was above the plane, this was also above the plane. This M we have drawn like this. Like this. So yeah, this was our overall question. This is our 4n plus 2 system, or you can say odd system. 4n plus 2 del we are using, 4n plus 2 del, this rotation takes place. Again 4n plus 2 h nu, 4n plus 2 h nu, con rotation take place. We get this M, and again 4n plus 2 del, this rotation takes place. So these are quite few steps which can see over here. So in the question, if you are coming over here back to the question, in the first, in the last, yeah, these hydrogen, they are cis and these are trans. So coming back to the question, we can very easily see over here Predict the mode of the ring closure and opening. I have just shown you. So this one is 4n plus 2 dial this one is 4n plus 2 h nu con rotation, and again 4n plus 2 dial this rotation. So this one is this one is con, and this one is again this. So all these three are 4n plus 2 system only, and this rotation, con rotation, and again the last this rotation for ring closure and ring opening. Predict the structure of M. The structure of M I have already shown you over here. We have drawn it like this, either upside or below side, like this. So this is our M. We have drawn this, and are the indicated hydrogen cis or trans. So they are both. In this case they were cis, both either upside or the below side. In this they are trans, either both below the side, sorry, one upside, one below side, another below side, one upside. So that's all for this question. Thank you everyone.